Today our lesson is the nature of the Earth. Earth located in solar system. Solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Planets located in around the Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth located in Earth Earth is third one from the Sun. Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. When compared with other planets of the solar system, Earth has more beauty. Earth is more beautiful because Earth has mountains, oceans, rivers, floras and forests. Let's talk about layers of the Earth. Thickness of the crust is 5 kilometers from ocean, 35 kilometers from land. Composition of the crust is soil and rocks. Element of the crust is oxygen, silicon and aluminium. Thickness of the mantle is 2,900 kilometers. Composition of the mantle is solid rocks and molten rocks. Element of the mantle is oxygen, silicon, iron and magnesium. Thickness of the core is 3,500 kilometers. Composition of the core is molten iron and nickel. Element of the core is molten iron and nickel. Our next topic is tectonic plates. Crust is divided into sections. These sections called tectonic plates. Look at this now. Two plates. This is how tectonic plates move relative to each other. Two plates move apart. One plate move upward and by pressing down the other. Two plates slide away. It's over. Thank you.